Should I wear my seatbelt or should I not wear my seatbelt? This is a question I ask myself every time I get behind the wheel. A lot of people think that they wear their seatbelt instinctually, but they don't. They do it because they follow the rules. Now, do they follow the rules because they believe that seatbelts are actually effective? Or do they follow the rules because they're a goody two-shoes sack of shit? That's probably more the case. Here's the thing. If you want to do something, do it. But don't lie to yourself. The reason why I got such an issue with seatbelts, because I know it's definitely a libertarian talking point, which makes it wrong. Well, I think that the, what do you call it? Sorry, I just saw the 5-0. I'm not freaked out because I'm not wearing my seatbelt. But I do have this handheld device. They can't see that shit. They don't even know what the hell that is. They'd see that and be like, what is that? I've never seen a camcorder before. I know, but anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, libertarianism, like, the principle of libertarianism isn't wrong, but like when you actually apply the philosophy, it works like a charm. But the problem is libertarianism doesn't account for like really terrible people that believe in terrible things. And though the principle, you know, live and let live, that might seem like it's correct, but we're talking about people that want to kill you all because you're a Christian. They want to kill you all because you don't agree with a 7-year-old getting gender reassignment surgery. Okay? So that's the problem with the philosophy. But when it comes to seatbelts, though, and when it comes to a lot of things, really, nobody should be telling anybody what to do. You know, that's their own decision. If they want to endanger themselves, they should be allowed to do that. They're allowed to do that in all these other ways. So don't think for a second that, oh, the laws are here to protect us. You're such a fucking loser, dude. You should just off yourself. You are such a loser if you actually believe that. Like, every single time when, like, somebody dies in an accident or they're seriously injured, they always say, like, oh, well, this person wasn't wearing their seatbelt. That's why I think it's bullshit. And what a way to victim blame, right? So it's this person's fault. They got hit by a semi. It was their fault because they weren't wearing a seatbelt, you know? Like, I get the point they're trying to make, like, oh, seatbelts save lives. Why do they have to say that, dude? Like, why do they have to even mention that in response to, like, somebody's death or somebody's severe injury? Well, luckily they were wearing their seatbelt, that's why they're still alive. Fuck you. Fuck you, fuck you, and fuck you again. I fucking hate shit like that. It's just so annoying. It's like everything's propagandized, you know? They can't just tell you a story, ever. It's always like, we're gonna sell you some shit. Thanks, America. I love this country so much. I'm gonna go masturbate to the American flag. Anyway. Anyway! I get easily annoyed. And one of the things that annoys me is bullshit, okay? It's like if you really, really, really believe that seatbelt is protecting you, then I want you to wear it, okay? Because I'm sure that you really, really, really believe that it not only protects you, but it protects others, okay? You really, 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 really believe that shit. So, I don't want you to go against your conscience. I don't want you to feel uncomfortable when you drive around. I want you to feel like you are safe and protected, and you are doing the world so much good because you are following the rules and you are doing what you're told and you are being obedient to the state, okay? I want you to feel good about yourself. I want you to pat yourself on the back every single time that you get behind the wheel of a car because you are doing the right thing by not questioning the laws, okay? I know I sound like I'm doing satire or whatever, but I'm actually not. Because if it goes against your conscience to not wear a seatbelt, like, I don't want you to do that because that's wrong. And that's a sin. You know, I don't want you to sin in your own life all because I think it's foolish to wear a seatbelt or all because I question the state, you know? People need to do what's right for them. That's why I try not to meddle in other people's shit. So as much as I might disagree with somebody's life decisions, it's not my place to tell them that they're wrong or they're stupid or they're, you know, they're gonna kill themselves or they're gonna burn in hell, and, you know, they're not gonna listen to this shit anyway. Most people are so stuck in their ways, they're not gonna listen to logic and reason when it's coming from a completely different perspective that they're not used to. This is obvious information, but it's not obvious to the majority of the public. That's why I'm here.